It's a full stack application that I built as a learning project while at the Nashville Software School, and it allows you to take control of your identity. Well, let's look at what I mean by that. Here's a problem that I have and a lot of people that I know have. When we go to interact with a business, they want us to write down our full name, our address, our phone number, email address, all this personal information that we have to redundantly enter. And that redundant entry is bad. It's inefficient, it takes time, and it's error prone. So the solution to that problem is that personal information should be stored in a safe place that's controlled by the information owner. And then when that information is updated, that it should be updated in just that one place. Let's take a look at how this works. So I'm logged in to WhoYou as Neo, and here's a QR code that can be scanned to view my profile if we're having an in-person interaction. And I can look through a list of users. I can see that Trinity is on here, and I can request Trinity's phone number. I can see Agent Smith's profile, and I can request his information, and we can see that his name is public. I can review my notifications. It looks like Agent Smith is requesting my email and my phone, and Trinity is requesting these things as well. So I can approve the request that I want to approve and deny the request that I want to deny. And now let's take a look. I'll also bring up Agent Smith's profile. So here's Agent Smith's profile. He's logged in on the mobile device. And we're going to check Agent Smith's notifications. Okay, Neo is requesting my email and phone, and for some reason, as Agent Smith, I'm going to let him have that information. So now as Neo, I can come back and refresh this page and see there's the phone and, oh, I'm sorry. And now as Neo, I can view Agent Smith's profile, and there I'm connected to his email and phone. I can also look at what happens when Agent Smith updates his own profile. So I'll just change his phone number to smith2@thematrix.com, and I'm going to go ahead and make that phone number public, and I'll save those changes. And now when I refresh Neo's account, I can see that the phone has become public and Smith has changed his email address. So, what did I learn during this project? The main thing I learned is that integration tests are awesome. This is a programming concept that allows me to verify that code that I've written on, in this case on the server side, is working. In particular, I want these values that are defined by the user to be stored and not shared unless someone has permission to access those values. And writing these integration tests is what allows me to have that confidence that those features are working. I used JavaScript, HTML, CSS, Python, SQLite languages, several different libraries and frameworks, in particular React+Django, and then a lot of Bootstrap for styling. There's a list of tools that I used, and then I also deployed this app, and I'll post a link to that live deployment so that you can try this out too. I used Python Anywhere to host the server and Heroku to host the client. I want to say a big thanks to all my classmates in cohort 42 who worked on these group projects with me over the last 6 months. They made this a lot of fun, and I've just been super impressed by their aptitude for learning and hard work, and really a genuine interest in learning rather than feeling like they were just checking the box. I really had excellent classmates. Also want to say thanks to Steve Brownlee. He's an excellent coach, and he also helped me let go of this idea that I need to figure out the perfect solution, and instead encouraged me to go after a good solution that works now. I want to say thanks to our TAs. They were super helpful and always there for me. And then also a credit there to Julian, who created the lovely little owl icon that I'm using in this app. And lastly, thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoy this app.